Boy.
Hi.
So I'm interested to know, how was your first experience at the second workshop?
Well, I had a very great experience.
Oh, yeah.
I got to learn a few things that I didn't actually know, and got to learn so many other different ways to shoot using my phone and to edit my videos as well.
Wow.
I got to learn new apps, and like, it was generally a very insightful and a great experience for me.
Awesome. So do you actually really edit on your phone?
Yes, I only use my phone, and I also use natural light to shoot. I don't have, I'm not advanced with lightings and all that, so my phone is my bae. Like, my phone is just my go-to, whatever. Yeah, it's my everything. I shoot on my phone, I edit on my phone, everything. I just do everything on it.
So what kind of content are you doing?
Well, I'm a makeup artist, as you can all see how my makeup is all done.
Awesome.
So most of my content is makeup related content. So I shoot I create a lot of beauty and makeup looks on my IG page. Yeah, my Instagram page is Glam by Omboy. If you like to go check it out, I have created a few videos and photos, and there's just basically some good content on my page, and I do everything using my phone. Like, awesome. I can't stress that enough.
All right, sorry. There's so many guys who are they're waiting to get their first camera, which is very expensive. What would you tell them? I
would tell them you do not need an expensive camera to start creating content. If you want to start this, you want to get in the content creation space, don't wait to get to budget to get a good camera or fancy lights and all that. Just start with what you have, and the phone. Everyone has a phone, so start with your smartphone. Awesome. Your phone camera is actually really good to use as your starting point. So if you're out there and you want to get into this, just use your camera and use natural light to shoot and edit everything on your phone.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what would you tell someone who's thinking about coming to the next workshop?
Yes, about that, they actually have a next workshop, guys. So if you haven't checked out their page, CDI Gadgets, go check out the workshop. It's going to be next week, and I would highly recommend that you attend the workshop, because you're gonna learn a lot of things from it. And by the time you leave you leave the workshop, you're going to be able to have great information on how you can edit and create content on your phone, and also get to interact with people who are going to attend the workshop as well, and also the guys who are at CDI Gadgets, to tell you more about their products and what they are all about, and also learn how to do content creation on your phone.
Wow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.